Okay, let's do it. This is Coach G here, bringing you Monday's trading gem from tacticaltrading.com, otherwise known as Gino's Trading Gems. This one is for you investors out there and traders. You know, we're talking about reinvesting. How do you reinvest? There's an easy way to reinvest stocks that have dividends or distributions. It's called DRIP. Very simple. It's been around for a long time, otherwise known as Dividend Reinvestment Plan. Almost every broker I know, the major broker, offers this. It provides a convenient way to grow your positions. And it's very passive. It's really simple to do. I'm going to show you how easy this is. But what it is it automatically reinvests the dividends for you. So if you have a stock, or some people don't realize this, an ETF or mutual fund, they'll take the dividend yield and reinvest it into buying more shares for you. So, you know, it goes right back into that stock. And there's some bonuses, or actually some real good benefits of this. So it actually even works, and a lot of people don't realize this, with mutual funds and ETFs. They'll reinvest not only the dividend, but if there's an end of year distribution or even a capital gain, they'll throw it back in there and reinvest it into the stock. Now, a couple benefits of this is it's one way to receive a fractional or partial share when you reinvest your dividend. For example, let's say you have a stock that's trading at $200 and that's the price per share. And let's say you get a dividend of $100. They'll actually reinvest it into the stock, and you'll see a half a share credited to your account, or a fraction of a share. So you can reinvest it and get fractions of a share, which you can't just go out and buy fractions of a share, as you know. That's one way to do it. And another bonus, almost pretty much every broker I know, they don't charge commissions to do this. Now, right now, this period of time, most brokers aren't charging commissions. Commissions are very low. But again, I wouldn't want to pay commissions on a half a share of, like, let's say Microsoft or something like that. It goes right back in the company. And as you know, reinvesting back into an investment, you don't have to do it yourself. You can set it up simply. I'm going to show you a really quick way to do this. In TD Ameritrade, for example, this is an easy way. This is one of the biggest brokers out there. You just go to my account, dividend reinvestment, or you can just call your broker and let them do it for you. And you simply go to my account, set stock and ETFs, and automatically they'll pop up which ones are which you can automatically do as DRIP, dividend reinvestment. It'll show you the ones that are allowed to do that. Not every stock allows it. Of course, they have to have a dividend or distribution. And you simply go in there and click the ones you want to reinvest the dividend. And then you go up and hit save. And guess what? It's done. And you can undo it whenever you want. And now that's passive income. You're there, it's automatically reinvesting that into your stocks that you chose. And that is simply what DRIP means, Dividend Reinvestment Program. So there you have it, guys. Another trading gem for you to add to the pile. Grab some more nuggets of knowledge at tacticaltrading.com.